Stitch number 5 is a securing stitch program. Now, if you don't remember what it's called or which one's which, remember, just touch the question mark and then touch the stitch. It will give you the name of the stitch, how it's to be used, and if it has any special functions, like what I'm going to show you. Here is the cool part of this stitch. So it's a regular straight stitch, but when you first get started, it's going to automatically take, and I want to say it's about 6 stitches. So as it sews forward, it's going to do about 6 stitches forward, 6 stitches back, and then take off. Now the machine doesn't know where the end of your fabric is, and that's why once you start sewing, you'll notice that the reverse button indicator kind of pops up on the screen, and it's kind of pulsating, saying, touch me when you get to the end of the seam. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'll sew right to the edge of the fabric, touch the reverse button one time, and then sew. You want to keep your foot on the foot control until it actually comes to a complete stop. There's like one extra little locking stitch at the end, and then that way it stops for you completely. The reason you want to make sure you sew all the way to the end, and look, see, locking stitches at the beginning, all in the exact same hole, as well as locking stitches at the end. I guess I wasn't watching where I was going, little curved action there. Okay, but the nice thing is you didn't have to hold the reverse button in while you were sewing backwards and hold it in while you were ending it. It's all programmed into this stitch. This is a stitch I do notice people do forget about, but look how handy it is. All you need to do when you're sewing is just start. Now remember, when you finish that stitch at the end, it like resets it, so it's back at the beginning. So all you have to do is start when you want it to end, one touch of the button, and then, oh, I must be out of bobbin almost. There we go. We'll finish that up. And we are done. So then next time that I stitch, then I actually have exactly what I need to start with. So this is just one thing that I have used quite a bit. If you're ever struggling with holding like a really big project and you do need to do securing stitches at the beginning and end, pick stitch number 5, eliminate all the extra wishes you had a third hand, and just use the stitch. It will do the locking stitches for you.